Meghalaya Roll Ball Association, but East Khasi Hills Roll Ball Association, La Pynlong the first senior inter-district roll ball championship, St. Anthony's High Secondary School, Haga khynnah tarik Risaw. Hagani lympung Meghalaya Speed Skating Association ru, La Pynlong the third Meghalaya Speed Skating Championship, Haga balawan ban shim khynnah kynthei shynrang, Haga under 6, under 8, under 10, under 12, under 14, but above 14. Bah Fantin Lakadong MDC Laitumkhrah Constituency, ulalong kongsan, but Bah Bajop Pyngrope MDC Rambrai Jyrngam Symbud kongsan. Kiwei pat rangbah Kiwei nakani kesngi kilong Shabir Sayeed Dkhar additional SP ke East Khasi Hills, Bah O Mautho District Sports Officer East Khasi Hills, Bah Fenly Pariat General Secretary ke Meghalaya State Olympics Association, Bah John F Kharshiing Working President ke Meghalaya State Olympics Association, Robert Kabbas Australian Olympian, Suman Deka Jaydeep Mahenta ke referee na Assam but kikmi kikpajong khynnah. Symbud kongsan habakren nakani kesngi ulay ro but I mean same ki khynnah ke bala shimenta kani lympung but kikmi kikpa ke bala penshulore ki khon ban mi amadan yele akai ban pen iya la kisap ki phong. Bah Suklang Dkhar President ke Meghalaya Roll Ball Association, haka jingkren ulay thu be ke Meghalaya Roll Ball Association la register snam arhajar khat khyndai, but ke Roll Ball Federation of India ke balami perthai haus snam arhajar lai. Ulay thu ru ba insa yo ban pen ipa ipa ekni ke jingile akai haka Meghalaya Games ke Bansalong haus snam arhajar arpusan. Kinong job haka ni ke jingi kun, kilong Banyngkong ke West Hills, Baar ke West Khasi Hills, but Balai ke East Khasi Hills. Nakini kinong job in sajit banyakun ha National Roll Ball Championship ka Bansalong Shen. Daman mi George Sharmang na West Hills ulayo ekanam best player, but Umag Angel Yaupniaw na West Khasi Hills ulayo ekanam best goalkeeper.
I would like to appreciate and congratulate especially Mr. Shillong, who is the president of this association, for bringing this kind of sports and his entire team. This is a very new sport for our state Meghalaya, and I can see that the young girls and boys of our state have a lot of talent, and maybe yes, from our beautiful state of Meghalaya, we can get national champions and even international champions in the days and years to come. We hope that as us from the political group of the state, and also we have our sports officer here, we hope that the government also extends its hands to help this association in order that the youths of our state can improve further in this particular sport. I'm so happy to see that many youths have joined this association and are continuing to do so. Many new beginners also are there. Looking at this generation, it's very sad to see that sometimes most of the young boys and girls, they are mostly involved only in mobile or indoor games, which is very bad. But having these kinds of opportunities, having this kind of platform, it gives a lot of encouragement for all the young boys and girls to encourage themselves, to build themselves mentally, physically, and also to nurture themselves in the right direction, to be a better person in the house, in the society, and for the country as a whole. So once again, I won't take much time. I would like to congratulate the association once again, and I hope that we will have more events in the years to come. And yes, as one of the spokesperson of the party, the National People's Party also, I would like to extend my support always in the near future to the association. And yes, we work hand in hand so that we can improve the sport more in this state of ours, Meghalaya. Thanks again to everybody, the parents who have come here, who have given their encouragement to their children. I hope that your encouragement will make them better people for the society in the years to come. Thank you all. Thank you.
Jump.